35 years, thousands of photos, and a whole load of mistakes. If I could go back, these are 10 more things I'd tell my younger self about photography. Would you like to avoid common pitfalls, improve your skills faster, and find your style? Stick around. And there's a special bonus at the end that could change your photography journey, so let's dive in. A little while back, I shared 10 hard-earned lessons. In this video, I'll share with you 10 things I wish I'd known about photography 35 years ago. The response was amazing, but trust me, there is so much more I wish I'd known when I started. In this video, I'll reveal 10 more photography insights that'll help you improve faster. Photography is one of those skills where experience is everything. The more you shoot, the more you learn. But what if you could fast-track progress by learning some of the biggest lessons up front? Well, that's exactly what I want to help you with today. Whether you're just picking up a camera or looking to refine your skills, these 10 insights will help you see the world differently and make the most of every shot. I'll be covering topics such as the importance of light, patience, storytelling, and even printing your own work. These are things I wish I'd have truly understood when I started out. It would have made a huge difference to my journey. So, first up. Photography is all about light, literally. It doesn't matter how expensive your camera is, if the lighting is bad, the photo will be bad. Learn to see light. Notice how it changes throughout the day and experiment with different types of lighting. Soft morning and evening light is often the most flattering, while midday sun can create harsh shadows. Indoors, window light can be your best friend. If you train your eyes to see the difference, your photos will instantly improve. Some of the best photos don't happen immediately. They require patience, waiting for the right moment, the perfect expression, or the ideal lighting. Instead of snapping away and hoping for the best, slow down, observe your surroundings, anticipate the shot, and be ready when the magic happens. Patience is a virtue. Just ask a wildlife photographer. You don't need to travel to exotic locations to take great photos. Some of the most powerful images come from everyday moments, family gatherings, quiet streets, or simple routines. Keep a camera handy and challenge yourself to find beauty in the ordinary. These small moments often turn out to be the most meaningful. For the most part, you'll be capturing environmental portraits. Now that sounds posh, eh? But that's basically what I did while taking pictures of the family over the years. Authenticity is everything. Pose photos can feel stiff and unnatural, but candid moments tell real stories. Instead of asking people to pose, capture them as they are, laughing, working, thinking. This approach creates images that feel alive and meaningful rather than staged. And one of the best photos of my mum was a candid shot taken by a complete stranger when I was young, and it's priceless. A single photo can tell an entire story if framed correctly. Think about what you want your image to say. Is it about emotion, atmosphere, or a specific moment in time? Composition, light, and subject choice all play a role. When you start thinking like a storyteller, your images will have much more impact. It took me a long time to realize that editing is an extension of photography and not a way to fix a bad photo. Even simple adjustments like cropping, adjusting brightness, or enhancing colors can make a huge difference. But remember, less is more. Avoid over-processing and aim for a natural, timeless look. And in the words of a great friend of mine, when you finished editing, take a break, go away from the computer for a good while, and when you look again with fresh eyes, you may just change your mind. Try different angles, heights, and compositions. Shoot from high above, down low, or from unusual perspectives. Changing your viewpoint can turn an ordinary scene into something special. Don't just take the first shot you see, experiment. I was once told by an expert landscape photographer, try moving 6 feet to the left or to the right. I thought he was joking, but he was spot on. It actually did make a difference. More doesn't always mean better. A single strong image is more powerful than 10 average ones. The same applies to composition. Too many elements can clutter an image. Keep it simple, focus on what matters, and remove distractions wherever possible. The less distractions in your pictures, the better you'll be able to direct the viewer's eye. Every bad photo is a lesson. Rather than get frustrated with yourself, Analyze what you could have done better. Was it bad lighting, poor composition, the wrong camera settings? Mistakes are part of the learning process, and the more you embrace them, the faster you'll improve. But don't be too harsh on yourself. Not many photographers will show you their outtakes. You only get to see the good ones, and it's a long journey, so enjoy the process. In a world of digital everything, printing your photos is an underrated and valuable practice. There's something very special about holding a physical print. Seeing your work outside of a screen gives it a whole new aspect of appreciation. Plus, prints last in a way digital files often don't. And I'm not saying you have to print yourself. I personally don't at the time of recording this, but I'm told it's very rewarding watching that work come off a printer. It is something I'd like to get into, but I currently send mine away to a print lab. And as long as your screen is properly calibrated, you'll get great results. Now, before I share that special announcement with you, I'd like to share a bonus tip that actually came in as a comment on my previous video about things I wish I'd known. This came in from Peter. Thank you, great video. May I suggest number 11? Make your next camera purchase your last purchase of a camera system. It is much easier to learn how to operate a new camera if you know its menu structure. If you keep shifting manufacturers, you have to learn a new menu every time, and this is a pain. Thank you for taking the time to comment, Peter. Great advice, and I totally agree. I've stuck with Canon all these years. It's good kit and great for what I do. Okay, I can't wait anymore. If you're serious about improving your photography, I've just launched exclusive subscriber-only content with practical resources to help you master your camera settings and techniques. So here it is. As a newsletter subscriber, you'll get totally free access to printable reference sheets, step-by-step guides, pro tips, and even photography challenges to keep you learning and improving. And the best part? I'll be releasing new resources regularly, so there's always fresh content to help you grow. It's my way of saying thank you for joining my newsletter group. To get started, just click the link in the description. Your first free resource, my ebook, The 3 Essential Pillars of Good Photography, is waiting there for you. And there's more to come in the next monthly newsletter. Oh, and if you'd like to see it, I've linked the previous video here. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment. What was the one thing you wish you'd have known when you started out? Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon.